All right. Good morning. Good morning. So check it out. I trade the London session. Well, the agent. I trade the London session. All right. I only use one pair. That's GBP Chef. All right. What I do is, if you can see right here, I always mark off the last 2 hours. The last 2 hours of the agent session. All right. So that's my highs and lows right here. If you look at the last 2 hours, and so the opening of London normally starts around 2 o'clock, which is um, well, my time it's actually 1 o'clock a.m. So yeah, I get up early in the morning and trade it. So this strategy is real simple. If you follow the rules and know your pair, you will be more profitable. Nobody's 100% profitable, but you'll have more. You'll see more profits out of the market and have a better risk to not better risk, but you'll have a better P and L, profit and loss statement. All right. So the biggest thing is take this out is you can use the 9 or the 18. Make sure you're on the 30 minutes time frame or higher. I personally use the 30-minute time frame. Asian session highs and lows. And let me put this in here too. All right, let me see. Heiken ashi candles. All right, we're not gonna get into exactly how the Heiken ashi candles work. I can do a video on that later, or you can Google it or YouTube it yourself. All right. So just remember that the Heiken candles is not the actual price. You got to make sure you transfer back over to the Japanese candles for your entry. All right, so pretty simple is what I use every morning. You see how this strong trend, Heiken you can tell the strong trend. All right, I only trade for 3 hours. That's potentially from my time frame. That's A&M CST. All right, to about 3 a.m. CST. Now, any trades, so typically this right here, 4 a.m. is about 4 Eastern Standard Time. So I don't take any trades after 4 Central Standard Time. If I take it right when the market opens, if I don't catch any trade between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m., I'm done. I don't trade anymore the rest of the day. All right, because that's what I use, the market volatility. All right. So if you look right here, right, this is the market open. This is the let me zoom in for you. You see the 9 and the 18 cross. You see it breaks the Asian low, strong Heiken candles, no top wicks, only bottom wicks for sales. You wait for this candle to open, boom, you do a 20 and 10. You can do a 30 and 10, whatever you want to call it. I go for 20 pips and I'm out. Boom. You see that? I got my pips within a matter of an hour. Still under 3 o'clock. Boom, I'm out the market. If you see it crossed, all right, boom, right here. See how it's crossing? You wait for that strong buy candle or sell candle right here. Let's look over here. I waited for it to break out. I waited for it to break out the Asian range. Don't do it when it breaks out the Asian range. So you see right here, it actually crossed way back here, but I'm not trading this session, right? Even if it didn't cross, here's the biggest thing too that can help you out. If you are not comfortable with taking it because it didn't cross right here, you can wait till it comes back and retest the 18. Boom, jump in around 11 o'clock, which I don't trade that time, but you can still do it. 20 pips and you're done. But right here, I took this trade right here because I know this pair, it broke out. And then I took the trade, and you can see it's about 3 o'clock. Boom, took the trade for 20 pips. All right, 20 pips, and I was out within a matter of an hour. All right, do 10 pip stop loss. All right, I was out within a matter of an hour. All right, you see that? It didn't cross, but that's fine. I don't take trades at 1700. I always take them right here because that's when the market opens. That's when the most volatility happens. If you look right here, 30-minute time frame again, the next day, I took all these trades. Boom, it bust out. 2010. Of course, I looked at the currency strength meter. GBP was trending. Boom. Within a matter of an hour, I'm in and out, got my 20 pips, and I'm out. If you look the next day too, this all in the same week. All right, it crossed. It crossed. I didn't take it right here because these candles were ugly. All right, I waited for this one to close. Boom, 3 o'clock again. All right, 20 pips and pips. Boom. All right, 2 to 1. I'm in and out. If you look right here, constantly. If you just be patient, it crossed right here. Wait for it to break. It crossed right here. Wait for it to break the Asian session. Boom. All right. So Friday is a no-go. Friday is a no-go. Friday is a no-go. I'm gonna say that again. Let me put these big things right here so you know. All right, let's boom. All right. Let's see if we can let's bring this paperwork back over here. And trading on the Friday. Let's look over here. And Friday is a no go. Friday is a no go. Got it? All right. If you look on Monday, well, this is NFP week, and I'm gonna show you how you wouldn't take these trades on NFP week, which you actually can, but you just have to be careful. All right. So right here, you look right here, it crossed right around here, pretty much. And that's fine. If you want to take your trades, um, hold up. Let me look at this date. Let me make sure we're on the right date. So it was the 30th. So the 30th, there we go. All right, so here we go. Right here, it right here. It actually crossed right here, but I'm not taking trades right there. All right, so I took the trade right here. Broke open, strong 20 and 10. I take these trades as I know my pair. Even if it don't cross, I know where it's going. All right, typically. Now NFP week sometimes fake me out, but if you look right here, I took the trade again 2 o'clock, and it took about 2 hours for the trade in and out the market within a 3 minute time, a 3 hour time frame. Got it. So here's the kicker right here. I'm gonna put an X right here. Reason being, because look what time it actually. See, it broke right here, but do we want to take the trade? No, because that is not a strong Heiken ashi candle buy candle. That's more of a indecisive candle. It actually broke right here, but guess what? That's out my time frame. So on Tuesday, did not take a trade. Boom. Do not take this trade. All right. This is specifically for London session. I'm not talking about any other trade. I'm talking about the beginning of London session. Don't try to deviate from this strategy that I'm showing you because this is what works for me. And if you look at this day, let's bring another one. Let's bring another one over here. Bam, close. Don't do it. Guess what? See all this? Indecisive, indecisive, indecisive. Going up, going down. Yeah, it broke right here about the 3 o'clock. But right here, once it breaks, you want another one. You want another one to break. Obviously, it didn't break. No cross, no trade that day. That's fine. That's fine. You're already up $200 from the week because guess what? You took this trade. If you did a one lot, you up $200. Boom. Now let's go into this morning. Currently where we at. If you see, let me draw you if you see right here, cross again. I waited till it broke. See, it broke over here. So I took my trade. Boom. Shep GBP was strong this morning. 2010. Boom. In and out the market. Pretty good. NFP week made up with another $200. That's $400 up for the week. Easy money. If you see this long wick up to the previous resistance line, leave the rest of the market alone, and then we'll go from there. All right. So this is currently where we at right here for today. All right. So let's recap what we went over. Let's recap what we. Let me make these X's small. I'm gonna leave these X's right here. All right. If you look right here, again, I told you. Right here. Broke out. Boom. This morning actually broke right here. You could have took the trade right here, but I don't do that. I wait for my time period, my discipline, etc. All right. Let's go over these again. use the 9 or the 18 AMA, the EMA, 30-minute time frame or higher. I use 30-minute. I'm in and out the market within 1 to 3 hours, and that's it. I go about my day. Asian session highs and lows, low price. London open breakout, 20 to 30 pips. Potentially, I use 20 pips and I'm out the market. Use the Heiken ashi candles. If you need to use the other candles, that's fine. But this actually shows me a better trend, and I'm in and out the market. Friday is a no-go. Again, all right, Friday is a no-go. All right, if you look at it right here, you really didn't need to trade NFP week. I'm going to tell you why. You need to trade NFP week because guess what? 200, 400, 600, 800, 800, 1200. Oh, I'm sorry, 1,000. I'm sorry, 1,000 right here. All right, 1,200 right here. In a matter of a week and a half, you got $1,200. So you didn't need to trade on a Friday. You didn't need to trade. Let me move this out the way. You didn't need to trade this day because this day was past outside your trading times. All right. You didn't need to trade this day because guess what? It was consolidating. Boom, boom, boom. And you traded today, Thursday. Got your $1,200 within what? A week and a half, a week and 4 days. So almost 2 weeks. All right. So hopefully that I helped you out today with this strategy. All right. So remember, I only trade the London time frames. This is what it works for me. I don't know about any other time frame. Make sure you wait for the EMA 19 and EMA to cross. All right. Let's put cross on there in parentheses so you know. Cross. All right. If you have any questions, just make sure you hit me up and I'll answer everything you got. But quick and easy, I'm out.